In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cupboard for your scene. This is the final render I've done, which takes about 7 minutes, in which the quality is in between medium and high. What I want to do is go to actually you can base on the floor plan to create a cupboard right here, or you can just do it yourself to design your own cupboard, because we don't have any designs from the job, so you can make your decision. I choose rectangle step. Okay, I wanted to extrude it for maybe 1 meter. Okay, be aware that don't let your cupboard intersect with any parts from your wall. In this case, my cupboard was intersect with the footer, so I select it. First people only. Move it to the corner, turn it off, and move it out a bit. And then what I want to do is give some door. And then use a way to duplicate. Turn on preview. I need 4 door. This is the x-axis, so I give a increasing number for the x value. I click the arrow to use the total value. Instance. Because it's instant, so I can easily adjust the basic parameter, such as the size of it. You can use the scale tools to adjust the scale. You can use keyboard to input your number right here. Sometimes if you found that your software doesn't let you input any number right here, you can turn on the absolute mode. I want to scale it down a bit. And then I select the cupboard again, give it another poly. I need one more segment, so I use connect to create one more segment in between the first door and the second door. Select the cupboard, use shift key. Okay, cancel it first because I want the door also. Use shift key to move it upward in order to duplicate it. I choose maybe copy this time. And then I choose the bottom one and use attach to attach the top part. Choose polygon, select this polygon, use your holding your keyboard control key, select this polygon also, and then bridge it. Use my keyboard shift key and movement tool to duplicate one more door. Finally, select all the parts of your cupboard. Okay, make sure that all of them was been turned on the real world map size. Make sure all the parts has turned on this value. Okay, for the cupboard, because there's other poly you will apply it on it, so you have to give UEW map and choose box. Turn on river map size right here. We've finished the modeling of it, and then I want to create a frame for our window also. I use this window as the sample. Maybe this one. I do two of it at the same time. Okay. I choose detach. Detach as clone. You can give it a name. Window frame set 1. And then you can choose turn the polygon off. Choose it again. You will see it will become a separate object. The type of object is an editable poly. Select this vertex and move it upward. You can right click to choose isolate selection so that you can see it more clear. Okay, I choose polygon, select all of the polygon and then extrude, give it a value. Make sure that you have to change the normal of the object. Okay, in this case I will choose the local normal. I choose this polygon, bridge it. Choose these two polygons, bridge it. After you finish everything, turn off polygon and right click and isolation. I change back to my camera view. Okay, I finish everything for my scene. What I need to do next is to apply the material for my furniture. I go to material editor. I'm not going to design some new material because I want to use the old one, such as the floor or our door, the entrance door. I use the cherry wood and also the frame. And for the rest of the cupboard, I want to use a new one. This time I want it to look like some plastic in white. So I drag this up. Okay, I do a test render right here. I go to exposure control. We can do a very mini preview right here. Oh, I didn't set up the UVW for my window set, so I cancel it first. The window set, that means the window frame I just create and give it a UVW map. Choose box, turn on river map size. Go to exposure control again, activate the camera view. Okay, this is the preview of my output. I go to render setup, go to art render. I use the draft size. You can decrease this resolution so that you can do your tests much more faster. Okay, this is the output of my current scene. And close it. And then I want to add some decorate light for my cupboard. You can go to lighting photometric. We already talked about the sun position last time. This time I want to talk about free light. Free light are very similar to target light. They are the same, but just the direction are not different. I choose free light this time and click. Okay. Go to modifier. I believe your light, first time you use it, it will look like something like this. Okay, you can choose your light and then go to modify. Go to the bottom of your menu. There's an option called shape. You can change it to cylinder. Okay, which will be much more suitable for the decorating light for our couple. You can change the size of your cylinder. This first one, and then the second one, and the last one. Okay, let you have a look. If I move it out a bit so that you can see more clearly, and move it out a bit, and if you turn on, there's an option called light shape visible in rendering. When you do your render, you will see your light will look like a very bright cylinder right here. Let me close up. I change it to perspective and then zoom in. Do the render again. Can you see? Okay, I cancel it. For decoration light, most of the time we don't want to see it. We don't want it visible to our camera, so I turn it off just to let you know that you can do this setting. And I put it back to the center of my cupboard at the bottom, and then change it back to the camera. Do my render. Okay, you will see the top and the middle part and also the bottom of my cupboard will have I've applied some decorative light on it. This is a very draft rendering, so it takes just 9 seconds with a lot of noise and the resolution are not enough. This sample, I've put this picture into Moodle. I've spent about 7 minutes to do this render. You may have a try for your render. Try to add some light to your scene and try to change different kinds of material, because the material will affect the time of rendering a lot. After you finish everything, please submit your project and also your render. You can try different kinds of material and do different render to submit your lab exercise. After you finish everything, submit the whole folder to Moodle.